In this video, we're going to show you a huge contradiction in the man-made Quran of the false Prophet Muhammad.
I know you're going to mix things up somewhere, but yeah, bring it out.
If you read Surah An-Nisa, Ayah 82, it says, if this Quran is not from God, they would find many contradictions in it. If we can show just one contradiction, that means the Quran cannot be from God. Surah Al-Anbiya, chapter 21, Ayah 98. Certainly you disbelievers and whatever you worship instead of Allah will be the fuel of hell. You are all bound to enter it. So if we read it in the following way, you Christians and your God Jesus will be the fuel of hell. You are all bound to enter it. Muslims try to convince us that the Islamic Jesus is with Allah. So Muslims, why do you worship a false God and fake prophet who are contradicting themselves?
That's all you got? Allahu Akbar. Okay, let's see. This is the tafsir of this ayah, that Allah Azza wa Jalla is talking to the idolaters of the Quraysh who worship their idols. You and your idols will be the fuel of hellfire. As you can see in the Quran, chapter number 66, verse number 6, the hell whose fuel is men and stones. Men's mushrikeen who associate partners with Allah, people like you, and the idols of mushrikeen. It's not about Jesus, peace be upon him. Neither he associated partners with Allah, nor he is idol. He is the beloved messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who taught oneness of God.